It is an honor to celebrate the love that Dalton and Nikki have, and is also as well as the life they choose to share every day, as we see them uplift each other in all aspects of their life.
Nikki, thank you for loving my friend the way you do. You balance him out perfectly. And it's obvious to everyone here how much you two genuinely care about each other. But it's just one thing I know, you two make a damn good team. So that's all I got for you guys.
A ring is an unbroken circle with ends that have been joined together, and it represents your union. It is a symbol of affinity and of your love. Dalton, do you take Nikki to be your lawfully wedded wife, to love and cherish from this day forward, for life until death do you part?
I do.
Nikki, do you take Dalton to be your lawfully wedded husband, to love and cherish from this day forward until life do you part?
I do.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, to love you today, always, and forever.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, with the pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I can't wait to see how many more memories we can create together. It's only been 10 years. Good luck and good memories, full of love and happiness to the happy couple. And I guess everyone can get up and we could do a toast.